Hey guys, this is Colby here from MCAD. I want to do a quick update about what is coming, or something that's coming to the next iteration, the Winter 2025 Fire Sprinkler CAD Basics Bootcamp. We have a 13R beta project that will be available this go around. And those of you who are familiar with the current course, we have a 13D practice job that you work through on the 8 weeks. We have our 3 main checklists that we work through with, our pre-calc, or layout, pre-calc, and then our final checklist, which the final one is based off of the 13D checklist for this project. And if you complete one go around, you can go through again with the next project that we provide you with at the end to do some more practice. And it's just a 2-story 13D system, so just a little bit level up on the complication. But again, just something to give you to practice on, not too bad, so you can be successful with your new CAD skills. And so now what we have is a 13R beta project. And so what the beta means is we're giving you full CAD files to work with and a 13R template. But basically we just don't have as many videos produced for this course yet, this part of it. Everything we have mostly is about 13D, and we're slowly adding things now about 13R. And so as we do that, it's going to be in beta. And you can go through that. If you've already gone through the house, we recommend doing the 13D project first. But you're also, if you're going through this time and it's your first time, you're welcome to work on this project if you want. But there just isn't quite as much specific information to 13R as there is about 13D, but we will keep adding it as we go. And so let me see if I have any other, in addition to the CAD files, you're going to get the 13R checklist, and you're going to get a job order report. And it's basically just going to be everything you would get from us as if you were a technician working on a job with us. And you can just work through the job files. If you're going through the 8 weeks, you turn it in to the manager for red line review, and you get help through the process of completing your 13R project all the way through the end of the 8 weeks, when we teach you how to create the final PDF to submit it to authority having jurisdiction. So if you guys are interested in learning these kinds of basic CAD skills, let me see if I had any more slides. That was it. We're back to the beginning. All right. So again, check out the Fire Sprinkler CAD Basics Bootcamp. We're going to continue to keep adding content like this. Once we get the 13R completed, it'll go out of beta, and then we will start the 13 beta. And so we'll be adding, probably be starting, I'm guessing at that point, with either a small residential 13 system, or I'm thinking more likely we'll probably start with a tenant improvement. Something simple to work through to begin with, and we'll just keep adding complication as time allows. So if you are interested, look forward to seeing you at the next boot camp. Thanks a lot, guys.